Listen closely. Maybe you've whispered in sujood, Ya Allah, I can't anymore. But this right here, this is how Allah sends you hope when you're on the verge of giving up. Stay with this till the end because your heart needs to hear this now. Every delay, every heartbreak, every door that closed on head ship come. For the first time in months. That disappointment that taught you the truth of Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. You see, Allah never abandoned you. He was rebuilding you. Every delay, every silence, every unanswered prayer was Him preparing something that fits you better than what you were begging for. But you can't see that when you're in the middle of the storm. So if you're standing at that edge right now, thinking, Allah hasn't your struggle. Allah is sending hope to your heart, even when the world feels dark. Maybe this message reached you today for a reason. Maybe it's the nudge your heart needed to hold on a little longer.